everyone, it's Chloe again, and today I will introduce to you a high quality product called Virgin Hair. And do you know the truth about Virgin Hair? Let's find out with me. The hair is cut directly from the head down, purchased on ethnic people in the Northern Mountain in region of Vietnam. And here they grow their hair completely naturally and do not use chemical on the hair, so the hair still retains the shine and smoothie and the best hair quality. Here they grow their hair completely natural and do not use chemical on the hair, so the hair still retains its shine, smoothie and best hair quality. So, what is the difference between virgin hair and the other cheap hair shown on market? It is hair that never been curled, dyed, colored, or bleached, or chemical treated in any way. The strands are not leaven at the end. We divide virgin hair hairs into three qualities. They are classified based on the thickness of the product. A tail and receptive is double drawn, super, and premium. In terms of quality, they are similar, only different in the thickness of the business tail. The ratio of tail thickness is double drawn is about 50% and super double is about 65% and premium is about 80%. The higher the quality, the higher the thickness of the tail along with the quality assurance. Virgin hair is the highest quality hair with the highest softness. Besides the good quality, you need to know about how to take care of the hair properly to keep the hair quality the longest and most beautiful. Hair care is very important to ensure that your hair always maintain the best hair condition. Wash your hair with lemon oil and dry your hair with cool wipe. Do not use hot wipe, it will make your hair tangle. And to ensure that you have perfect hair, choose a reliable and classy brand. Nasa Hair, with the top one of hair quality in Vietnam, will never disappoint you. If you find this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe for our YouTube channel. Goodbye!